Okay, this question just jumps you through a lot of the hoops from chapter 3, so consult your notes for that. You've got a standard method here, finding fg of x, a composite function. Follow the examples in your notes for that. Solving the equation of g of x equals 1, setting up that equals 1, is solving a very easy equation that you could have done at GCSE. Explaining why a function does not have an inverse, that's always the same reason. I think I've made you write that on your notes booklet, maybe even on the front. You need to know the standard form of words why something doesn't have an inverse. Solving the equation modulus of g of x equals 1. This might cause initially problems, but remember that the modulus function either leaves things alone, so one possibility is that this simply equals 1, but the other possibility is it does a sign swap, so that this thing here would, instead of equaling 1, be minus 1. So after being modulus, it equals 1. So your two equations will be that equals the answer, and the sign swap version, that equals minus 1. The inverse function, f of x, finding an inverse function from here. Once again, it's a standard method, and you should have a similar worked example in your notes to copy. And once you've got the inverse function f of x, the most straightforward way to do d dot e2 is just directly equate that answer to your f of x up here, multiply up to get rid of the fractions, and solve an equation to find the x value.